Hello everyone, myself Mayur and today's our topic of discussion is the presentation layer in the Java. So the presentation layer is the sixth layer from the bottom in the OSI. This layer presents the incoming data from the application layer of the sender machine to the receiver machine. It converts one format of the data to another format of the data in both sender and receiver understand different formats. Hence, this layer is also called as the translation layer. It deals with the semantics and syntax of the data. So this layer is also called the syntax layer. It uses the operations such as data compression, data encryption and description, data conversion, etc. Translation: the data is sent from sender to receiver, but what if the sender device and receiver device understand different formats of code? For example, suppose one of device understands ASCII code and another device understands ABCDIC code. In this case, the data must be translated into a code that is recipient understand to determine what data has been sent. The presentation layer is responsible for the translating ASCII code to ABCDIC or vice versa. With the help of the presentation layer, the receiver understands the data effectively and uses it efficiently. Inscription and description. Whatever data is being transmitted between the sender and the receiver, the data must be secure because the intruder can hack the data passing between the sender and the receiver. Hackers can modify the data and send the modified data to the receiver to create the false communication. The presentation layer is the responsible for encrypting and decrypting data to avoid data leaking and data modification. So the plain text data is also source is encrypted into ciphertext. Then it is sent to the receiver where the ciphertext is decrypted into plain text. Now, if hacker tries to hack data, the hacker received encrypted unreadable from, and if hacker tries to send to modified data, the receiver can detect the modification. The data remains safe. Compression and decompression. If the file size is very large, then the transmission file over the network file size can be decreased by compressing the file for easy transmission of the data. Compression is the method of diminishing the size of the file to the transmit data easily in less time. When the compressed data reaches the receiver, the data is reconstructed back to the original size, and this process is called as decompression. The presentation layer in OSI model is classified into two sublayers. Common application, service element. This layer offers services to layer 7, that is the layer application layer, and requests services from layer 5, that is the session layer. It supports the various application services such as the reliable transfer service elements, remote application operation, association control service element, and commitment, occurrency and recovery. Okay, thank you.